Hey there, it's Alex and welcome back to my Crafty Lounge. Today I'm going to show you how I created these really cute little fox clips. So I created them using my Creature Comforts stamp set and die. So let's get started. So I'm going to use patterned paper to stamp my little fox. And I'm going to place my fox kind of where I want the placement of the pattern. So right there. Next I'm going to die cut this guy out. So I'm going to bring in my Amaze machine, which I love because it's amazing. Now, in order to get the clip like real sturdy, you'll want to cut out a few more layers. And so I've already pre-cut centerpiece and a backing. You can use any color for the centerpiece. So your next step is going to actually be to stamp out another little fox image. And so what you're going to want to do is fussy cut the eyes and the tail. So I've already pre-cut a little set. So now we just need to do some paper piercing. So I'm going to adhere the top layer to that center layer for added support. So I'm going to use my block to like weigh it down. And the next step is just to glue this backing to that first layer. And I'm going to use Journey Glaze because that's just our most permanent glue. And so it's not completely dry yet, but it will dry. And so there you have it, a really cute patterned paper clip. I've made some pink clips. I've made some polka dot clips. I've also first made these clips in just like a Christmas theme. And if you'll come back tomorrow for my YouTube, you'll see that I created some little foxes on some of the cards that I made. So many possibilities on what you can do with these little foxes. So cute. So I just want to thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe and maybe share it with someone who would also like to watch. Bye guys.